Okay, and we get to this screen here. Now, it's a summary of all the attempts, and you can see immediately if you've missed any questions. So this is really good. It gives us feedback. Now, the third column here, marks, you can see that every single one but the one that we submitted, which was question 2, has got 0 in there at the moment. That's because we haven't submitted overall all the questions apart from that one. So if you wanted to go through and submit each one at a time and do that, and then see a breakdown of all your answers, all the marks you've got so far, that's absolutely fine. You can do it whichever way you want if you're a person that wants to do that. I'm just going to submit and finish. I've still got 9 minutes left, but I'm still going to submit it. So there's a dialog box pops up there that says you're about to close this attempt. Once you close it, you will no longer be able to change your answers. Yes, I'm happy with that. That's fine. Click yes. And there we are. We've finished. Okay. Now, let's have a look at the top to start with. It says when we started and when we completed it. It tells us how long we've taken. It tells us how many marks we've got out of the total number of marks here. I haven't done particularly well here, even with a random choice, and it's given me some feedback here. Now, the teacher types in this feedback when it comes to breaking down the different grade levels, so it's up to them as to what they get. It can be a lot more detailed than this if you want to. Over up here by the quiz navigation section, you can get a visual interpretation straight away of the questions you got wrong, which is the red ones, the questions you got right, which are the green ones, and the questions you got partially right, which are the yellow ones. So straight away you can see, oh right, okay, then I've got number 5 wrong. I'm going to click on that one and go to number 5, and it skips you straight down to number 5 here. Okay, and it can tell you here straight away that the right answer was D and you marked B. Okay, so the great thing about quiz is straight away the feedback is there. Okay, so what we're going to do now is that we're going to go to next. In fact, what we're going to do is we're going to scroll up to the top and we're going to go to finish review. Okay, now, so we can see here, okay, that we have our attempt 1 and when we completed it, and our grade and our review, okay, and our feedback here. Now here's the button that we can use to reattempt our quiz. So we could go back in and review it if we want to. So we can always go back and do that if we want to. We can click on that particular topic, that particular activity, and we can go and review it whenever we want. It's always going to be there for us. So that is a short introduction to quizzes. There's a lot more to it than that, but the best way of learning about it is to actually do it, and believe me, you'll be getting plenty of practice.